what's up? You know who it is. It's Chris. And today we're going to learn how to draw a three-dimensional sports car, step by step. So pay attention and stay sharp. This is going to be good. Now, 3D in the aspect is the car is going to be facing you. It's at an angle. It's not like you're looking at it from left to right. More like from back to front. So actually what we're going to do is we're going to start with, let me get my marker right. We're going to start with the back. We're going to bring this line around like this. And then we're going to come down. We're going to put this little thing out like this. Okay. Doesn't really look like it much, but you'll get it in a minute. Now this line, we're going to bring around. Bring that down. Bring this line up like that. And we're going to draw a little bump. A little bump. Like a little circle, half circle. Bring it back up, thicken it up. Then we're going to keep coming this way. Come down, bring this line down a little more. And we're going to bring another bump. Curve that. And we're going to bring this around. And we'll close this up. And what we're doing is we're bringing it to the front of the car. Now, I'm going to do one of these there. That's a headlight. And the other one will be there. Do a little circle there for the tire. A little circle there for that tire. Right here, we're going to draw a line. This is going to be for the hood of the car. Same thing there. We're going to bring this line around and curve it. And we're going to bring this line here and curve that. This line here will be the window. Line there for the door. Another line coming down for the windshield. Line for the back. Another line there. One more line for the front. This thick line comes here for the front of the car. Here's our front logo. One more marker for some variation on the window. Headlights. Exhaust. And it's time to drive. I'm Chris, and this is how you draw a 3D sports car step by step.